In kindergarten, we have to learn a lot of new words, and we have to read them and write them every single day. Today, we're going to practice on 5 of those words. We're going to read the words, we're going to spell the words with letter tiles, and then we're going to write the words on our iPads. The first word is the word look. It's spelled L-O-O-K. I'm going to drag the tiles over to spell it correctly. L-O-O-K. Look. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to press number 6, and I see some writing paper. I'm going to write the word look. L-O-O-K. Next, I'm going to go back to number 1 and double check myself. That's right, look is spelled L-O-O-K. If I'm happy with that, I'm going to go on to number 2. My next word will be not. I will first of all build the tiles to spell it, N-O-T, and then I'll press on number 6, and I'll go back and I'll write the word not on number 2. I will continue to do that until I get all 5 words finished. So now it's your turn to look at the words and read them, spell them, and write them. Do a good job.